Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. This is episode 2 of getting started with Excel formulas, and today's lesson what we're going to be doing is going through introduction to functions, and the function we're going to use today is the sum function. So in terms of functions give you the ability to do a variety of things like perform mathematical operations, look up values, or even calculate dates and times. Let's try a few ways to add up values with the sum function. So on the left side in my tutorial spreadsheet here, I've got some instructions or steps to follow. So number 1 here on the left side, under the amount column for the fruit, cell D7, enter equals sum D3 to D6, bracket close, or type equals sum, then highlight the range of cells you want to add together, then press enter. And I'm going to show you that in this very first table on the right. So at the moment this table here has got a list of fruits and the amount of fruits that this particular shop has sold in that shop. So apples, there's 50, oranges 20, bananas 60, lemons there's 40. So the sum function should add up all those values there. So that's what I want to put into this yellow cell here. So first, if you remember from episode 1, the first thing we do when we do a formula is we write or type equals. So we want equals there. Then we're going to use this function sum, S-U-M, and the sum function adds up values if you know your math. So bracket opened. Now what we want to do is we want to highlight the range of cells we want Excel to add up here. So we start off with the first one with the left mouse button, and we'll drag our mouse down, keeping hold of the left mouse button there. So the range at the moment, let go of the left mouse button. So at the moment the sum function will add up values from D3, and the colon denotes the range or the array to D6. So to finish this formula off, we do bracket closed, and the last thing we do in this formula using the sum function, we click on enter, and now what that's done, the formula has added all those numbers together. Really useful to add up lots of numbers in a complicated spreadsheet there. So we're going to try this again, but this time we're going to use the Autosum function. So on the right side here, there's another table, this time with all the meats a shop has. So beef, chicken, pork and fish, obviously including fish there, and then the amount of those products sold in that shop. So beef 50, chicken 30, pork 10, fish 50. So this time, instead of the sum function, we're going to use a quicker method. We're going to use Autosum. So at the top in the ribbon, make sure you highlight the yellow cell because that's where you want your formula to go. At the top, under the home tab here, go across to the right side under the editing part here, and you will find the Autosum icon there. We click on Autosum, and when you do that, it will put the formula in there automatically for you. Once you have checked that it's selecting the right range for you or the right range of cells, you just simply click on enter, and there you go. It's done all the hard work for you, it's done all the addition for you, so you don't have to do anything else. So one more time, this third table again, this shop sells lots of different products: bread, donuts, cookies, cakes and pies. So obviously the amount of bread 50, 100 donuts, 40 cookies, 50 cakes and 20 pies here. One more time, equals is the first thing you do when you do a formula. Sum, bracket open, the first cell here, the cell reference for bread or the amount of bread is column D, row 10 here. So then you colon for the range, and then the last cell here, D14, bracket closed and enter. 260 there. We delete that. One more time, equals sum, bracket open. You can highlight all of them. So D10 to D14, bracket closed and enter. So that's a very quick video showing you how to use the sum function, how to use Autosum. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.